Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Montego Bay, Jamaica. We are on the hip strip, also known as the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Now this is like a tourist strip in Montego Bay. It has a lot of hotels, beaches, restaurants, gift shops. Very nice tourist area. So the government plans to spend $1 billion on a Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. The government is to spend $1 billion to develop the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard in Montego Bay, Jamaica. This project is a part of the Tourist Enhancement Fund. Now what they want to do is upgrade it to make it like the best hip strip in the Caribbean. And the project, well, it was to start in April of this year, but not sure what's going on with it. Read the start date. So here are some of the hotels. On the left is a hotel, on the right is the S Hotel or the Spanish Court Hotel, and beside it we're going to come up on Starbucks and then Doctor's Cave Beach. So what they're trying to do is transform the hip strip into, I guess you could say, the most popular hip strip in the Caribbean, and they want to provide a range of day and night activities. Okay, so that's Starbucks, and then this is Doctor's Cave Beach that we're coming up to now. So the last update was that they have the designs, everything done, but they've been waiting on the permits. And the Public Investment Appraisal Branch is a government agency that looks at projects on a national level. And what they want to do is put in sidewalks, foliage, infrastructural work to upgrade it. Now you're going to see a lot of gift shops on the left. Margaritaville is coming up on the right. There's a casino on the left, and we're passing a lot of gift shops on the left and the right, and restaurants. There's a Burger King on the hip strip, and also Pelican Restaurant, which is an iconic restaurant in Montego Bay, has been there for many years. So this road was actually called Gloucester Avenue. But in 2018, the St. James Municipal Corporation renamed it the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. And that was in honor of the reggae icon James Jimmy Cliff Chambers. He's a Grammy winner, Rock and Roll Hall of Fame inductee, and he played a major role in the development of Jamaican music. And he's from St. James. If you know the songs I Can See Clearly Now and Many Rivers to Cross, those are some of Jimmy Cliff's hits. So we'll keep you guys updated on this project. And on the right coming up is Harmony Beach. The government recently upgraded that facility. Very nice beach. And beside it they are building the, oh my god, the name slipped me, but they're building a massive mall right beside it. So a lot of upgrading going on in this area. And a lot of hotels are being renovated on the hip strip as well. You have a lot that are up and running, but you have a lot of, about 4 that are being upgraded or reopened, as some of them had closed. Harmony Beach Park, that's the name of the park. It's coming up on the right. Very nice facility. And of course, you know, tourism is a big part of the Jamaican economy. And you have the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay. And that's the major airport for tourists to come in. 85% of all the tourists that come into Jamaica come in through that airport. So Montego Bay is a major tourist town or city destination, you could say. And the Hip Strip, they want to make it like one of the major tourist attractions for the area. Alright guys, we will keep you updated on this project. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave your comments. Let us know what you think about the government upgrading the Hip Strip. Alright guys, have a good day.